What's up, guys? Brendan from Market Makers. Who predicted the pump? Who predicted the whale pump? That's right. The last three videos literally said the market wants to go down and there's no way they can get the price up without the help of a whale pump, right? I know that triggers the haters and they get very upset by accurate predictions from somebody that analyzes data, but that's just how it is. Right here, 3,400 point pump. I told you the market wants to roll. Retail isn't buying, and the whales control the market, guys. That's the market structure we trade in. So where are we at now? Now we got to decide where we're pumping to. What's our next target? Because I can't imagine they pump here without trying to go up another level. And could we possibly dump? And where would we dump to? Simple as that, guys. When we look at the data, as traders, we don't have emotion. We don't write 3 paragraphs about how much they hate somebody on somebody's comments. People get triggered so easy. It's hilarious. All right, guys, we just finished our free week, by the way, in our Discord. We got a lot of new members. Appreciate all the new people. Appreciate the people that just stopped by. Coins Kid came by into our room. He has about 200 subs, and I always recommend you go and check out other people's YouTubes for contrarian opinions, okay? Because I certainly analyze data differently than he does, and there's nothing wrong with that, right? Crypto's a big space. What we do here is we look at the market trends, we trade in and out of markets, and we look at the best places to buy coins for the long term. Okay, so let's analyze the data, guys. What do we got? 1 hour time frame. We had our whale pump. That's obvious. We knew that was coming. Like low volume. There's no coincidence, by the way. This started right at the end of U.S. market hours. The whale pump right here. Okay, there's no coincidence that happened. We got that whale pump, and we made a double top today. When I woke up, saw a double top. It wanted to fall, and they bought it back up. Right again. We're in a heavily manipulated market with low volume. Okay, it's easy to manipulate the market. Let's look at our indicators to give us an idea of where we could be going. So our volatility is still in the green. This is a 1 hour time frame, guys. Volatility is in the green, means it can be pumped. If you look down below, the volume did drop off. ATR is descending. This ATR is volatility checker measurement. And when it hit this line last time, it did that pump. Okay, so I'm watching this to see what happens when it gets to this line. The volume did drop off, you can see here, okay? But we're good in the volatility on the 1 hour time frame, which is to be expected. And let's look at our GAN-FAN resistance. We're trading, let me blow this up a little bit for you guys. We are trading in this channel right here. This channel is basically resistance and support. You see the red line? It's hard resistance, green line, hard support. So that's where we are right now. We're going to trade there until we get a pump or until we get a dump, okay? So that's the state of that in the 1 hour time frame. And we're resting right on GAN support of 41.1, right? So a lot of people think 42.1 is the next level, right? No, I don't think so, guys. Let me show you what I'm thinking here. I'll show you what I'm thinking. Let me look at the daily chart. Daily chart, you can see the different lines here. I think we're going for this next. When I say we, I mean the whales. We have no say in this. If the whales pump it, they're going for the 200 moving average. Again, it's 200 trading days, okay? Very important number. There's no reason they pump it here and don't at least try for it. And a couple scenarios play out, right? You hit it and you get rejected. This is a likely scenario. You could also hit it, pump through it, come up here, maybe not be able to consolidate, make a shape, like a double top, and fall down. Another scenario, okay? And the third scenario is, which is definitely a possible scenario, is you hit it, you get through it, and you consolidate at a higher level of volume. The 48K number, that's when I would be looking at possibly buying positions, okay? And if you do that, you start consolidating, then Bitcoin looks like it could turn this around, okay? I think one of the first two scenarios is still more likely to play out. Again, because of volatility, trend, and volume. Okay, that's the market that we're in. I went over this in the last two videos, so you can watch those videos. I still think one of the two first options is going to play out. We're going to hit it, get above it, make some type of shape, fall down, or we're going to hit it, not be able to pass it, and return back down. Okay, we had a 12,000 point dump June 13th to June 16th. I don't know where the dump would, but we have to look at the market structure. That's what I want to show you now. Where could we dump to? This is the next question. If we did dump, right? If Bitcoin can't pull this off, where would it dump to? Well, let's look at the 4 hour. 4 hour can give us some information. 4-hour time frame, guys. This green line I put down here as a support line. I'll show you why I picked it. There, hold on. Right here is your old swing pattern, is your old pattern failure, June 13th, June 16th. That's your dump, 12,000 points. This is your old swing high, okay? Roughly 36,420. That's the line that I have here as our next stop. Okay, so what you could see for price action, let me expand this a little bit so you can see a little bit better. What you could see, if we do get rejected, again, a couple scenarios. You come back down after a rejection. You may hit some of these levels, you may consolidate, you may leg down, right? But this is your hard support. You come back down, you consolidate, and then you go back up. Okay? That's the slingshot effect, right? That's a possibility. I don't think because of how much manipulation is in the market, we're going to hit these smaller levels and just consolidate and stay there. I think we're going to hit a hard level of something, which for me is at 36.4. The other scenario is you come down, you hit this, and you lose it, right? And where would you go if you lose it? That's the question. Well, like I said, that last dump was 12,000 points. Okay, we're trading at 41 right now. I mean, could you get to 30 or 29? Yeah, I don't know. I mean, look, the problem is we don't know velocity. We don't know about market fear. We don't know about any of that stuff, right? So you could come down here and you could lose this, right? Because here is where you fell last time. That's where you fell from the last dump, 28,790. You could revisit that again, or you could make a new low, or you could catch some support from one of these areas, right? We don't know. This is like essentially price discovery, but on a descension, right? Because we don't know if you get a hard rejection there, how much FOMO, how much fear is going to be in the market. We have no idea, right? So that's what we're looking at for Bitcoin, guys. It's a quick update. Track it today. Have a great weekend. Hey, thanks for liking the channel. Please like it. We're a growing channel. We're young. We're only a couple months old. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Always try to give you the best analysis. Our Discord group is in the video description. We got a lot of new members, guys. A lot of content there from a lot of excellent people. Great community, diverse community, various opinions, no censorship there. Anybody can have an opinion about any position, okay? Guys, have a great weekend. We'll all talk soon.